Would you expect to find sweet grapes on a thorn bush? Of course not. Why? Because you cannot harvest thorns into grapes. In today's video, we're going to be going through another timeless proverb. إِنَّكَ لَا تَجْنِي مِنَ الشَّوْكِ الْعِنَبِ. This is another amazing proverb, so stay tuned to find out how you could use it in your day-to-day language to sound like a pro. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hayyakum Allahu jami'an, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down another classical Arabic proverb. إِنَّكَ لَا تَجْنِي مِنَ الشَّوْكِ الْعِنَبِ. Indeed, you do not harvest grapes from thorns. So, إِنَّكَ is indeed, لَا تَجْنِي, you do not harvest, مِنَ الشَّوْك, from thorns, الْعِنَبِ, grapes. So, indeed, you do not harvest grapes from thorns. What does this classical Arabic proverb mean? It means that you cannot expect good results from a bad source. So what this proverb is saying is, if you know someone's dishonest, don't be surprised if they lie to you. If you know somebody has bad character, don't be surprised if they betray you. If you do a bad action, then do not expect a positive outcome. Just like you can't pick sweet grapes from a thorny bush, don't expect positive outcomes, kindness, or something good from people or situations that are bad and harmful. A real life example of where you could use this proverb is, for example, if a friend of yours borrows someone some money. So he lends him some money. Now this person who borrowed the money is well known not to return debts. He doesn't pay off his debts. When your friend needs this money, is in dire need, he goes back to this person and asks them to return the money which he lent to them, and they refuse. When he comes to you and complains, you could say to him, إِنَّكَ لَا تَجْنِي مِنَ الشَّوْكِ الْعِنَبِ. Verily, or indeed, you do not harvest grapes from thorns. Do you want to learn more timeless wisdom from Arabic proverbs? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful stories and wisdom. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.